Good day, everyone. And now we are tasked to solve this day expression, which is in the form of multiplication. But the thing is, we need to solve it without using a calculator. So how are we going to solve this, Kuya? We need to apply the concept of difference of two squares. So the thing is, we will actually express 29 and 31 as follows. Since we all know that the number in between 29 and 31 is actually 30. So 29 can be expressed in the form of 30 minus 1. And we'll do the same thing with 31, which is actually 30 as well. And take note that this is actually a format as a factor of difference of two squares. So with this, we can write this one as 30 squared minus 1 squared. And we all know that 30 squared is 30 times 30, which is just 900. And 1 squared is just 1. So thus, 900 minus 1 is just 890. And that's the product of 29 times 31. We'll do the same thing with 48 times 52. But again, we need to recognize what's the number that is in between or the midpoint of 48 and 52. In this case, this is 50. So thus, we can write 48 as 50 minus 2. And for the case of 52, we can express this as 50 plus 2. Since again, we have two terms that are equal, 50 and 2, but they differ with the sign at the middle. This is a difference of two squares form. So in this, we can express this one in the form of 50 squared minus 2 squared. And we all know that 50 squared is just the product of 50 times 50, which is just 5 times 5 is 25, and then you just have to add 2 zeros. So thus, 50 times 50 is just 2500. And now, 2 squared is just 4. So with this, the product of 48 times 52 is actually equal to the difference of 2,504, which is, the result is 2,496. And our last example is we have 99 times 101. We all know that the midpoint of 99 and 101 is 100. And thus, we can express 99 as 100 minus 1 and 101 as 100 plus 1. Since again, this expression follows the format of difference of two squares, we can write this one as 100 squared minus 1 squared. And finally, to simplify this one, we just express 100 times 100, which is actually 10,000. And 1 squared is just 1. So the product of 99 times 101 is simplified into the difference of 10,000 and 1, which is actually 9,999. So here's how you simplify these things without using calculator, and instead just apply the concept of difference of two squares. So for more exciting videos, just click the links below. Thank you.